Welcome to MA. Let us make maths easier. Today's class discuss the continuity of the function f, where f is defined by question number 14, 15, 16. Okay. For teen question, the same discuss the continuity. You have to discuss. Okay. First question number 14. F of x is equal to 3 comma if 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. 4 comma if 1 less than x less than 3. Okay, here it is not equal to. Okay, next 5 comma if 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10. Okay, first you have to write the given question number 14. Okay, here my function f of x is equal to 3 if 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. 4 if 1 less than x less than 3. Okay, next 5 if 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10. Okay, I am writing my scale. Okay, here first starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, here 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. Therefore, from 0 to 1, here my function is nothing but 3. Okay, next 1 less than x less than 3. Therefore, from 1.1 here, okay, to 2.9. Because why here I am not taking 1 and 3, because here it is less than only, not less than or equal to. Okay, therefore I am taking 1.1 to 2.99. Okay, here my function is 4 clearly. Okay, next from 3 equal to, therefore from 3 you have to take up to 10. Okay, here my function is 5. I hope you all understood the terms. Okay, now first here you have to take the cases, because here discuss the continuity. You have to discuss, okay, every point, where is the point is continuous and where is the point is discontinuous. Okay, you have to check every term. Therefore you have to take it as cases. Case 1, here x less than 1, x next equal to 1. Okay, next 1 less than x less than 3, next x greater than 3, x is equal to 3. Okay, here x less than 1 का मतलब here 0.9, 0.8, 0, 0.5. Okay, minus up to here. Therefore here less than minus 1. Okay, less than 1. Here no need to check the term x is equal to 0. Okay, I am skipping this term because x less than 1 का मतलब here it is satisfying now. Next here I am skipping the last term because here I am taken x greater than 3. Therefore x greater than 3, here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to plus infinity we can take any terms. Okay, so that I am skipping the 10 and 3. Therefore I am skipping two terms. Okay, here 0 and 3. Next case 1, here x less than 1, therefore limit, here we know that, okay, for at point we will check left hand limit, right hand limit and f of a. For here it is not at point, therefore you have to take let k be any real numbers. Okay, here you have to take let k be any real number. Limit x tends to k f of x is equal to limit x tends to k, here less than 1, therefore you have to take function 3. Therefore there is no x to substitute the value of k. Okay, therefore only 3 is my answer. I hope you all understood. Next, f of k, in the place of x you have to substitute k, therefore here it is my function 3. There is no x is present, therefore 3 is my answer. Here in general, limit x tends to k, f of x is equal to f of k equal to 3. Therefore here it is continuous at x less than 1. Okay. Next, case 2. Here case 2, x is equal to 1. Okay, at point. So that here you have to check left hand limit, right hand limit, next f of a. Okay, you have to satisfy the thin condition. Left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to f of a. Okay, first I am taking left hand limit. Limit x tends to 1 minus. Here minus is nothing but left hand limit. You have to take just below the value of 1, 0 0.9, 0 0.8 like that. Okay, therefore f of x is equal to limit x tends to 1 minus. Here my function f of x is nothing but left hand limit, so that you have to take less than 1. Therefore the function here is less than 1, 3. Therefore 3, there is no x to substitute the value of x is equal to a. Therefore 3 is my answer. Okay, next, right hand limit. Here this is left hand limit. Right hand limit, here limit x tends to 1 plus. 1 plus का मतलब here just greater than 1, 1.1, 1.2 like that. Okay, therefore f of x is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus, here just greater than 1, therefore my function is 4. Okay, here 4. Next, here there is no x to substitute the value of x tends to 1, therefore 4 is my answer. Here left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, because here left hand limit value is 3, for right hand limit here 4. Therefore finally you have to write left hand limit not equal to right hand limit. Therefore here it is discontinuous. Okay, here discontinuous at x is equal to 1. I hope you are understood. Okay, next, case 3. 1 less than x less than 3. Okay, now here general term. Okay, therefore we can take x 1.1, 1.5, 1.9, 2, 2.5, 2.8, 2.9, we can take any value. So that here in this case you have to take, let k be any real numbers. Okay, here it is not at point. Okay, here it is, you can take any value from k is equal to 1.1 to 1.5, 1.8, 2.3 up to 2.9. You can choose any one value. So that I am taking, let k be any real numbers. Okay, next here general formula, here limit x tends to k, f of x is equal to limit x tends to k. Here my function f of x is nothing but 4. Okay, 1 less than or equal, less than x less than 3. Here my function is 4. Therefore here you have to substitute 4. Here there is no value of x, you can substitute, but here no x present, therefore 4 is my answer. Next, f of k, here f of k also 4, there is no value x to substitute the value of k, therefore 4 is my answer. Therefore here limit x tends to k, f of x is equal to f of a is nothing but k here, therefore is equal to 4. Here it is clearly known as continuous. It is continuous at 1 less than x less than 3. Here it is continuous. Okay, next case 4. Here in case 4, x greater than 3. Okay, here greater than 3 का मतलब you can take 4, 5, 4.5, 5 up to plus infinity, you can choose any value. So that I am taking, let k be any real numbers. Let k be any real numbers. Here general formula, limit x tends to k, f of x is equal to limit x tends to k. Here my function for greater than 3, you have to choose 5. Okay, here f of x is equal to 5 if 3 less than or equal to 3, x less than or equal to 10. Okay, therefore you have to take 5. There is no x present here, therefore 5 is my answer. Next, f of k, f of k also here 5, because there is no value of x. Okay, therefore 5 equal to 5. Finally you have to write limit x tends to k, f of x is equal to f of k equal to 5. Therefore here it is continuous at x greater than 3. Here it is, my function is continuous. Okay, next, last case number 5. Case 5, here x is equal to 3. Therefore you have to take at point x is equal to a. Here a is nothing but 3. Therefore you have to take left hand limit is equal to right hand limit equal to f of a. F of a is nothing but f of 3. If 3 condition is equal, then here it is continuous. Okay, first I am taking left hand limit. For left hand limit, limit x tends to 3 minus. Here minus in the sense just less than 3 value you have to choose. Okay, f of x is equal to limit x tends to 3 minus. Here my function f of x is 5, so that I am taking 5, but here it is less than 3, okay, 2.9, therefore you have to choose this function, okay, 4. Here there is no value of x, therefore 4 is my answer. Next, right hand limit. For right hand limit, limit x tends to 3 plus just greater than 3, okay, 3.1, 3.2, like that you have to choose f of x. My given function greater than 3, here we can choose my function is 5, okay, therefore limit x tends to 3 plus here 5, therefore there is no x to substitute the value of a, okay, therefore 5 is my answer. Here left hand limit is 4, right hand limit is 5, therefore left hand limit not equal to right hand limit. Here it is discontinuous at x is equal to 3, okay. Here in question number 14, here at 2 point, here it is discontinuous at x is equal to 1, okay, at x is equal to 3, okay, at 2 point, here it is discontinuous, okay. I hope you all understood the question number 14 clearly. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel. Dhanyavad.